Bo Diddy Outdoors. We're about to go fishing in the creek. I got this brim pole right here, and I put a little bitty bass hook on it because there ain't no big bass in there. That's why I'm using this pole, because this thing is not durable at all. So I'll catch y'all when we get down there. Y'all, Bo Diddy Outdoors. We're at the creek. I'm standing on this culvert right here. We're about to fish. Oh, there on the bass right there. Alright, we're about to catch something. This pond's pretty active right now. Dang it, that dang. I had something. Something is messing with it. Something was definitely messing with it. Yeah, it was not grass, that's for sure. I don't see none whatsoever. Something was messing with it. Perfect cast. Ooh, something had it. And there may be brim trying to grab onto this thing. I don't know. Never know. But these bass are so little that it's going to be hard to catch them. Dang it. Oh. Gosh darn it. I got, oh crap. I really need to go down there and get it. I gotta figure out somehow to get down there. Dude! There's something on my bait just trying to grab it. I wish he would grab it and grab it off of whatever's under there. God, if this was a fish, that'd be kind of crazy. Because if it was, it'd be taken off. Alright. Alright, we're about to have to go down there. But to give it some slack so I don't break it. Alright, I'll see y'all in just a minute. Alright, y'all, so I let slack in it and I went to go down. And I just reached out and scooped. And it just came loose. So, just keep fishing, I guess. Oh, yeah, that's a good cast. I'm going to get something here. Dude, whatever that was huge. Or huge enough for this pond. I'm thinking about going and buying me some crickets next week, because the rest of this week I'm busy, so I can't really fish any. Got a leaf. God, big fish, big fish, big fish. I'm about to get him in. Y'all about to see this big one. Holy moly. Dude. Oh, it came off. I'm just kidding. It was a limb. Good thing it came off, because I did not want to reel that thing in here. This pole is so terrible. When I picked it up to boat flipping, that's what it's coming off. But, oh my goodness. I wish I had a weight on this thing. Holy moly. Oh, they want a frog. Catch anything you want on this pond. There's everything. I wish me and my dad would never come got that tree. I mean, yeah, we needed that tree, but there's so much crap over here now. It's just bad. Terrible. I'm probably gonna go to a different spot on this pond so I can fish easier. It has some good bites. Snap. Ooh, good thing that thing off. It's all a big old wheel. Alright, we're about to make a couple more casts and then I'm about to go over there. I can cast deeper in. Dadgummit. I thought that was a fish. It just kind of took off with it. Dang it, this ain't the place for bass fish, bro. Every bass in this pond is gonna stay alive. I'm not gonna keep them, maybe. If I would have brought a bucket, yeah, I would have kept them. Just to keep them. Actually, I wouldn't because I wouldn't be able to feed them throughout this weekend. Let some slack out. See if I can get it. Still ain't got it. Alright, well, there's not really any way to get anywhere else. I think this is that the same spot? Well, that ain't no limb, I promise you. Because the limb would slowly come to the top of the water. There's brim biting the top of my pole. Alright, this is about to be difficult. I ain't throwing that far, so it won't backlash. I don't want to break it, because if I break it, I'm done fishing. I got another bait that is little enough for these fish's mouth. See, I'm just saying. Back. I don't know what to do. Can't get it. I've done tried everything. Pull, rage it. I don't know. It won't come out, bro. I don't know what to do. There ain't one other way. I mean, I could crawl up under there, but I'd get so much poison ivy on me, I'd have to go to the hospital. Because I'm allergic to it, so I can't get into that. Crap! I might just have to break it. Wait, no way, that thing just come off. How? Oh, I got one. Yes. Let's go. Okay, I gotta get it close so I can flip him. Huge bass, bro. It starts with an L. That's the type of bass it is. It's a limb bass. Alright. Well, this thing's out the water now. I won't hook him again. Alright, we're about to go to a different spot. I ain't finna see him. I'm gonna go up every time I come through. Alright, we're good now. We're good. We're good, bro. We're good. We're good, bro. We're chill. I'm just kidding. Alright, we'll let it go in. I go to this old spot. So we gotta jump off. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Whee! Oh, God. God dang it. Oh, my ankle, bro. I think I just broke my ankle. Gosh darn it. Oh, my ankle. Oh, I just broke my ankle. All right, we're looking for a rattlesnake real quick. Because if I see one, I'm running out of this. I don't care if I have to go across the river, across the creek. I'm booking it. Or cottonmouth. I ain't dealing with no cottonmouth. Rattlesnake. It may leave me alone. It's just going to rattle for a little bit. But I'm going to move somehow if I see any snake. This is a better spot all day. But I can tell where no snake is now. I mean, this is a good spot, ain't it? Right there. It looks good. Alright. We'll sit right here. I'm about to see if I can catch a fish. We may get hung up, may not. Oh, I see a lizard, bro. Oh, he's showing his money. He's showing his money. Hold on. I gotta turn the camera around. He was just showing his money. Y'all see him? Trying to find him on the camera. See him? Look dead center in the camera. Right above my finger. Right above my finger. Hey, lizard! He was showing his money, but I don't guess he wants to show his money anymore. Let's get back to fishing. Dude, dude, there's bass everywhere. I'm looking at them. I'm about to throw right in here. Show your money again, buddy. What in the world? Oh, I knew that was going to be a good cast. Really good cast to tangle my dang rod. Alright, it's about to go in. Crap. Alright, we're about to chunk this. I'm just kidding. Just gonna flip it. Footy! What the heck? Dude, I just want to catch one fish. I catch one fish, I'll leave every bit of these fish and all these limbs alone, okay? Sound nice? That sounds good to me. I think that's a deal. These dang bass are like, when did this kind of whatever food this is get in this water? And they're probably like, how? Bro, why is it not coming out? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Snap. Alright, we're about to try again. Try again. Try again. Hey, whoa. Bro, I gotta figure this out. Something ain't right. I think I figured it out. It ain't reeling good. Something's tangled at the end, I think. No, I think it's just the pole that sucks. Maybe not, I don't know. I should wear my snake boots, bro. What the? Well, it's not. I just don't know what's wrong with this dang pole right now. Oh, hey, there we go. We got a good cast. Hey, we're hung again. Oh, maybe that was a fish. And we just threw the whole entire bait into the woods that's behind me. We may have hooked a snake. We'll have to see. Really, I just did that. I don't even know where it's at. Dude, I just screwed up. I'm probably like 3 minutes into fishing over here, and I'm already hung up. I figured out this. I got it. Woo! Okay. Alright, just come out the window, okay? You're right there. I'm not stepping over there. Come on. Oh, that's terrible right there. Yeah, give me my bait back, you stupid tree. I didn't do that. Whoa. Alright, we won't stand right there. Alright, let's get this back in the water. Oh, grab. Here we go again. It's not throwing right. This is not good, bro. Oh. Here comes a car. Vroom, vroom. Hey, good. Oh, he actually waved. I think that is the first person that has waved at me in a pretty good while. Yeah, we've been having some no wavers. That's what I call them, no wavers. Oh, that was a bass following it. He was about that long. He could probably eat this pole. Not eat the bait, I mean. Alright, I learned that you can't flip this pole in this bait. You can't flip it at all. Oh, there's a little stream right there. I think I found a cottonmouth. I think that's where they're at. Alright, let's see if we can get one on this bank right here. Nope. You go over there, you're going to see one, bro. I'm just looking to make sure nothing hears me over here. Because, I mean, we could, you know. Oh, man, that's a good cast. Well, until it gets hung up. Bro, I ain't fishing in this pond again, bass fishing. Ain't no way. This is the first time and the last time. Hey, Dragonfly. I keep flipping it. Can't flip it, Bowen. What are you doing? You can't flip it. I'm gonna lose my mind. Alright. I figured out the problem. It's been hung this whole time. And it's not really a good pole to be flip. So it probably don't flip good when it's not down. So I'm gonna try. I untangled it. It's reeling better. Maybe it is. Nope. You just can't flip it. It's not gonna happen. I should have brought my dang Zebco. Bro, what kind of pole is this? Tropical Storm. Kids Club. I'm sorry. If you're watching this video, whoever made this dang pole, it sucks. I just gotta tell the truth. It is not. Stop selling them. Like, this pole has probably made so many people mad. Well, if it hasn't, then y'all just got good luck. Because my luck is terrible right now. And it's always been terrible. This thing does look good in the water. Not this water, though, probably. This thing looks kind of nasty in the water. And it's not even dirty. I think it's just the water. This bird just landed right beside me. I should hook it right in the face. Shut up. Try a fish. Yeah, that's right. He shut up. Oh, it's pretty deep right there. Boing! Oh yeah, there we go. We got a good cast now. We gotta reel this thing in. If I get a dang bite, I'm snatching this sucker. And that sucker's not gonna feel good after his dinner. Nope, nope. I'd rather it get hung right there than it did get right there. Oh, here comes another car. See if they wave. Oh, same dude, and he just looked at me. Somehow, he must have went to the dumpster. These people don't deserve to live on a dirt road if you ain't gonna wave. At least honk. It makes me mad. I don't know why, but it just, it just makes me really, really mad. I think I got them few bites over there, and that's all I'm gonna get. They don't like me. Well, next time I come here, I'm gonna wing bass fishing, I can tell you that. Too many things to get hung up on, and I'd rather it just sit there like this, instead of just reeling it in and getting hung up almost every single cast. Comes another car. Oh, it's my dad. Hey! Hey! No, I've caught a bunch of sticks. Well, I've had a few bites, but I don't think these bass are big enough to bite. Yeah. Told you I seen some in here the other day. In there? I know, I've done caught everything over there. I had a bass hooked until the end of the culvert. He was probably maybe not even an ounce. He may have been an ounce. I don't know. Something around there. Where are you going to? You need my help? Here, I'll just ride down there with you. Yeah, I'll take the key out. Alright, y'all, that's it for today. We didn't catch anything. Next time I come back, I'm gonna brim fish. I ain't bass fishing again. This is the first time and it's gonna be the last time. Not again. We're gonna brim fish or catfish. I seen one catfish the other day, but I did see a lot of brim. So, we'll see y'all the next time on the next action.